Hello friends, today I am making video very late because there was some task that was actually more important uh, before that the video creation, so I was busy in that. So let's discuss the video and the kind of trade that I have taken. So today I will not say you any kind of disclaimer because market is already over. So no need to tell you all those things. So just focus on the trading plan and what I have achieved today. So the stock that I have selected for intraday trading today is Titan. So reason for selection of Titan is first reason is its dominant pressure, and that is very clearly it is a buying. So buyers are controlling the price of Titan. First reason. Second reason is this price is moving in a range. I have drawn already, it is a horizontal channel that I have already drawn. So price was trading in this range from 30th November till yesterday, and you have you can clearly see that this channel was uh, tried to broke on multiple occasions, first, second, third, fourth, and on 1st December this was broken and the price was opened up, but supply came and prices came below, and but again at this level the price got support, and again buyers come in the picture and they are not ready to lose the control over here. So basically buyers are in a very much control, and still buyers are there in this price, but at the same time supply is also coming at this level. So dominant pressure, kind of consolidation period. So multiple times tested a level 2388, I think. Yes. After that, the today in the first today in the morning, first candle had broken this resistance. So with a huge volume, you can clearly see as compared to the previous candle, this specific first candle has created huge volume, and you can also see a 925 candle, a kind of buying pressure coming along below shadow. So that indicates me that I should enter in the stock. And one more important thing, and that I got in the morning is market was also in green. So three signals in single directions. So all the confirmations are aligned. Dominating pressure, the kind of setup for a perfect long trade, and then the opening of the candles, so opening of the market, and the sustainability of the market in the morning that was in green. So all the confirmations are green. So they actually told me that go for long this stock. So that is what I have done. But this is the you can say beauty of market that I have booked loss today in Titan. One more share I was looking, that was HDFC. Yes, that actually HDFC was the first candle was very large, so I avoided trading in that. But if you have something a sense of if you've seen the market today, then you can clearly know that the HDFC has performed well. But I was less you can say convinced that that stock may move or not, because the first candle was too much long. So I preferred trading in Titan. But everything is in your way is always a wrong thing. That is actually also a kind of psychology. If everything is coming in your way, then you are in you are in a wrong lane. So this is the very famous English phrases. So that is what happened today with me. So I have booked loss, and let's come to the analysis part. So as per analysis, this candle, yes, this candle has formed a kind of swing high. You can see first candle, second candle, and third candle. So 915, sorry, 920 candle has formed a kind of a swing high. So actually that becomes a point where I can place the limit order, and that I have placed also over there. So but after some time the price actually supply came and it hit by stop loss. So what is the learning lesson from this trade? That is everything. You can clearly see that dominating pressure kind of build up or consolidation period required was present there, and market was also in green. So what went wrong? So that I have booked loss. So as per analysis that I have done after closing the market, and after that I am creating video. So that I was actually able to miss the C. Sorry, I was unable to miss to see that the very near after the breaking of this resistance zone, supply zone was also present. So I should have waited for the movement of price, either it will consolidate over at least near the high of this one 2440. If price has been consolidated near to 2450, then that will be more confirmation of presence of serious buyers at that level. So that I missed today, and maybe from my point of view, market has something other to say or to do. But from my point of view, this thing is happened that I missed the presence of the supply zone or the resistance zone very near after the breakout, and because of that, uh, uh, my stop loss got hit, and I was actually standing on the other sides, that is on the after the behind the red line. So this is all about today's trade that I have taken. Sorry for the late today. From tomorrow onwards, video will come in the first half of the trading session. So because that will give you a clear indication that what is our analysis and what expectation of that follow through action. So this is all about today's trading, friend. Thank you. Keep trading, keep watching, and most importantly, please learn on the analysis and focus on the learning point of view. Because if you can see, even if you are actually if you are right from every prospect, still market is giving you loss. So that is the beauty of market. We should formally accept our mistake that we are unable to judge the presence of the resistance zone or supply zone just above the breakout. So this is the learning lesson that I have learned today, and also I have made a note of it. So in future I will not repeat. I will try to not repeat these kind of mistakes. So thank you. Keep trading. Keep watching.